Hello, friend.
Sometimes we have data that we don't want it to be seen by others. And as you have seen the title, let me tell you an epic way to hide your data. I came across this thing when I was watching Mr. Robot. I saw Elliot extracting his secret files from an audio. I found it really cool, so I just looked up to it and I found that this is called steganography. It is just a way of secret communication achieved by hiding the existence of data. And I also found out that the software that was used in the movie is called Deepsound. Well, that software really exists, so I just went to Google and searched about it. I found the site to be official, though it uses HTTP configuration instead of HTTPS. It's still safe. Now let's click on Deepsound and download it. Now let's install it. It's a pretty simple process. Here I have just a normal soundtrack that I downloaded from internet. It's just for testing. Let me show you. As you saw, it's just a normal soundtrack. Now let's open Deepsound. And then click on Open Carrier Files. And then select in the blink of an eye the soundtrack that I downloaded. Let it read the shit. And it found out that you can hide 7.5 MB of data in this song. Here I have two pictures that I want to test by hiding them. You can put anything inside it. You can put your report card or your girlfriend's image or anything you don't want to show others. Now let's get back to Deepsound and add our secret files. After adding the secret files, you can still see some pretty much space left in the song. Now let's click on encode secret files to export this file. You can also choose the output format and output directory and also add the password to your secret files. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Now let's click on encode secret files and it's done. Now let's check it. This soundtrack still plays like an normal soundtrack. Nobody would get an idea that it is holding some secret files, except it gets in the hands of military intelligence or the government. Now let's try to decode the secret file. Let's again open Deepsound and open Carrier Files, and we'll select the exported file, and it is asking for password as expected. I'll put the password and click on OK. Okay, both the files are shown here. Now let's decode it. Okay, it is exported. Now let's check it. Alright, both the things are working. This thing is really cool and it's working. So you can try it yourself. Thank you.